you guys, it is 12:15, and me and Rachel just went bowling, so I will show you guys some footage, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as we did.
Like my dancing. That's serious. What song is this? What channel is this? 104.9. If you want some bird frolicking in the flower music, flower type of music, go to 104.9. It's beautiful. You guys can hear it. You just died. I was trying to hit a high note. Holy fuck! Rachel, I'm okay. And over here dying, and it's like, oh my god, my abs hurt! Oh my god! It's amazing! Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm done. Sorry for that little clip, you guys. I decided to show you guys some little music and me dying. Continuing with the bowling now. Close, but no cigar. Only you can let it in. No one else can speak the words on your lips. Well, you guys, that's the end of the video. We're headed home. I'm going to my house. Where your book begins, the rest is still on written. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If not, then oh well. Go do something else with your life.